Hello friends, there are tons of fitness routines out there for staying fit after 60, but only one truly builds the strength, balance, and independence your body needs. Sure, daily walks and gentle yoga are great, but they're not enough on their own. In this video, I'll show you the one exercise every person over 60 should master. It's simple, powerful, and can help you feel strong and steady again, right in your own body. But first, here's what you need to know. If your knees feel stiff, your movements are slower, or you feel a little unsteady getting up, you're not alone. That's likely due to age-related muscle loss, a natural process that speeds up after 50. It weakens your legs and core, affects your balance, and can chip away at your confidence in everyday tasks like climbing stairs or bending down. But the good news is that science shows this kind of muscle loss isn't permanent. The right exercise can rebuild your strength, restore balance, and help you move with ease again. And that's exactly what this simple, often overlooked move is made for. No gym, no fancy equipment, just your body and a little space. When done consistently and correctly, it can change how you stand, walk, and feel every single day. But before we dive into this powerful exercise, kindly give this video a thumbs up. It really helps more people find it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now is the perfect time. We've got plenty of simple, practical tips to help you stay strong, steady, and independent after 60. So hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video from Senior's Edge. So what is this powerful exercise, and why do physiotherapists trust it? Fall prevention programs rely on it, and studies back it up. Well, you're about to find out. Think about the everyday things you do without even noticing. Getting up from a chair, answering the door, rising from the toilet. These small actions reveal a lot about your strength and stability. That's why the sit-to-stand movement is the one exercise that truly matters after 60. It's not just a workout, it's the foundation of your independence. Picture this. You're sitting at the table with your grandkids. When it's time to stand, you use your legs, core, and balance all at once. Now, imagine that movement becoming smoother, easier, and more confident every time. That's the power of this move. Just sit down, then stand up without using your hands. No equipment, no gym, just a chair, your body, and the will to stay strong. And here's the best part. Research shows the sit-to-stand is one of the most effective ways to maintain lower body strength and prevent falls as we age. That matters more than ever because according to the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, over 1 in 4 older adults falls each year. And tragically, about 41,000 die from falls annually. That's 112 lives lost every single day. However, this simple move strengthens your legs and hips, the very muscles you rely on to climb stairs, lift grandkids, or stand while making dinner. And as those muscles get stronger, your joints feel better, your balance improves, and your confidence grows. In fact, this exercise is powerful because it is super functional as it prepares you for real life, not just the gym. Every time you stand from a chair, you're training for the moments that truly matter. One study even found that the faster you can rise from a chair, the longer you're likely to live, and the fewer mobility issues you'll face. That's the beauty of the sit-to-stand. It's based on progressive strength training, PST, which means you can level up gradually. Start with a higher seat, then lower it over time. Use your hands if needed, then challenge yourself to go hands-free. Eventually, aim for multiple reps in a row. That's how you rebuild muscle, strengthen bones, and improve balance, all from home at your own pace. It's also incredibly flexible. You can do it in the morning to loosen up, midday for a quick energy boost, or in the evening to stay active. All you need is a regular chair and a few minutes. But doing the exercise isn't enough. You've got to do it right. So let me walk you through it, step by step. Start with a sturdy chair that won't slide or tip. Sit with your feet flat on the floor, hip width apart, and your back slightly away from the chair. This setup helps align your knees over your toes and gives your muscles proper leverage. Lightly brace your core, like you're preparing for a gentle hug around your belly. Inhale, then exhale as you press through your heels to stand. Rise slowly, smoothly, and confidently, like you're greeting an old friend. Once you're upright, fully straighten your hips and knees, then pause. To sit back down, inhale and lower yourself with control. Imagine easing onto a soft cushion. This slow descent keeps your muscles engaged and protects your joints. If you're just starting out or have joint pain, begin with 3 to 5 reps once or twice a day. Keep your hands nearby for support until you're strong enough to go hands-free. Gradually increase reps as your strength improves. When done consistently, this simple practice rebuilds muscle, sharpens coordination, and makes everyday tasks, like standing, walking, or lifting, feel easier and safer. And remember, it's not about how many you do today. It's about showing up again tomorrow. Now, let's go over the most common mistakes people make with this movement and how to fix them so you get the full benefit. The sit-to-stand exercise may be simple, but a few common mistakes can make it less effective or even risky. But the good news is that once you spot these mistakes, they're easy to fix, and doing so can speed up your progress safely. Mistake number 1. Overdoing it. It's tempting to push hard when you're motivated, 10, 15, even 20 reps in one go. But too much too soon can lead to joint pain, sore muscles, or even a fall. Think of building strength like building a house, one brick at a time. Start with 3 to 5 slow, controlled reps. Quality matters more than quantity. Mistake number 2. Poor posture. Leaning too far forward, rounding your shoulders, or pushing off with your hands may feel easier, but it reduces the benefits and strains your knees and back. Instead, sit tall with your chest open and feet flat. As you rise, imagine a string lifting the top of your head. This activates your legs and core and protects your joints. Mistake number 3. Skipping rest. Some think doing the exercise daily will speed things up, but your body needs time to recover and grow stronger. Like recharging a phone, rest is part of the process. So aim for 3 to 4 sessions a week, with rest days in between. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Every squat is a quiet promise that you're not giving up, that you're still in control of your body, and that strength is possible no matter where you're starting from. Now we'd love to hear from you. Have you tried this exercise before, or are you just getting started? Drop a comment below and share your journey. Your story might be exactly what someone else needs to keep going. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who might need it. There's strength in numbers, and sometimes one shared video is all it takes to spark a healthier chapter in someone's life. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple, science-backed tips to help you stay strong, steady, and confident as you age. Now, click on the video showing on your screen right now to discover the only 3 exercises you need to climb stairs with ease. No gym or equipment required. See you there.